So here we are again at another eviction cleanup. If you've been watching my channel, you've seen one I did before. That was a bank foreclosure. This is basically the same thing. So let's go take a look and see what they left. One man's junk is another man's treasure. Of course, also we can show the house off. That's pretty much, you know. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I love the vaulted ceilings. Garage, bathroom, laundry room. Oh my gosh, I love the vaulted ceilings in this house. I'm going to presume this is the master suite. Bedroom, walk-in shower, closet, tub. A little bit of a backyard, not too much. I probably fence that in so you have a little privacy here, especially if you're in this jacuzzi bathtub. Nice sink, double sinks for him and her. Privacy room for your toilet. Guess that'll keep all the funky smells inside. You got a fan up there too. And we have another closet here in the bathroom. This is a really nice house. Master suite is pretty good size, right off from the main living room area. Again, you have the vaulted ceilings. Love a vaulted ceiling in the house, it gives you more space. Check out the kitchen. Galley style kitchen. And then we have the dining area. Oh, there's a deck on the back of the house. And we have another bathroom with a, I guess we could call this a breakfast nook or something. Check out the deck. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at that. Obviously, that's the gas fireplace. Nice semi-wraparound deck. Pretty good yard space. Not too bad. This is an eviction, so I'm not sure what the foreclosure thing is on it. But either way, if anyone's interested, this will probably be on the market soon. We have another bedroom here. Another bedroom here. And finally we have a bathroom. So we have what, 2.5 baths. There is an attic up there. And it looks like it's tall enough where you could actually add another room upstairs. It is tall enough where you could add room upstairs. I'm not going to go up there because it's a hot day. Appliances, you have the oven in the wall, dishwasher. No garbage disposal. That's kind of shocking. Black panel top stove with the microwave. Alright. It's a nice home. Someone either couldn't afford or decided they didn't want it anymore. Look at these floors. These floors are beautiful. And then of course you have the foyer and front porch. Alright. That's all I wanted to show you. Questions, comments, close, chat. Oh yeah, you got a double car garage too. Attached to the house, and it's brick. You can never go wrong with a brick house. Well, we got some siding on the side, but you know, for the most part it's brick. Alright, if you have any comments, post, chat, please subscribe. Have a great day, YouTube.